Hello guys, we're down on the farm and today I'm going to show you how to melt your foundation onto your frames. So what you need to do this is you need your embedder, you need your 6-volt battery pack, you need a frame and you need your wax foundation. The first thing we need to do is put the wax foundation to this groove. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this frame down on the table and you're going to make sure that the wire is above the foundation. Then we're going to use the embedder. So what the embedder does is it heats up that wire so that it can melt down into the wax and secure it to the frame. We're just going to put these prongs down onto the wire and you're going to press in the button and hold it on for a couple of seconds just until you see it melt in, like so. And then you release it and you'll just leave this on until it sets. You don't want to go too far or it will go through. But then you can remove it and you repeat this step with each of the wires. So here you go, you got a frame with the foundation melted onto it, and this is ready to go in your hive. So remember, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.